Hey guys, Greg McLeod here. Sorry about the live stream got cut off. We had some internet issues. Trying to sort those out. I said we'll just go ahead and, instead of wasting time trying to fix it, I would just do it after the trade. And so we will be back online tomorrow, actually Friday, for the retail sales number. But right now we're short Aussie yen. Got short 81.94, but we've been harvesting some trades, and then after the initial kind of like got stopped out both ways, buys and sells, and finally decided to move in our direction. And then we actually got Euro Aussie, and so $3,973.50. I hope you guys are doing okay too, and I know that we got some good. I guess Jeff posted something too. Jay, he is up by. He was doing some. Into his 15th, yeah, he did some Aussie Kiwi, Aussie dollar, and so let me that up on the screen too as well. So that's he just gave me his list of wins, right? So hopefully you guys are doing well too, and so we're just monitoring these remaining trades, and I might just go ahead and close some of them off. You know, this. Maybe I'll just leave one on and let it see if it will run down to support. We've got the level of support down here, and that'll be 81.38. And then we have, this is what I was looking at. We have trend line break, and prices were wonking around here. This is a 1 hour chart of the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. We just had the news that came out. It was the Australian employment change. Worse than expected. Here's the number. The previous number was 115,000 jobs created. Forecasts call for a drop to 36,000. And the actual number came in at 29,000. So that's quite a bit worse than the previous number. But however, we had a positive unemployment rate. Went from 5.1. Oh, actually, the forecast was 5.4, and it came out better than expected, 4.9. But still, the slowing job growth is going to be a drag on the Australian dollar, and so we're able to take advantage of that. And I just have closed. Oh, positions, yeah, all the positions for today. How about today? It's still today. It's tomorrow and there. So $6,928.56, and we had 3 losses. Okay. We still have one runner going right now. And we could just let's close it. I ought to close it. I'm just gonna take it. Yeah, you know, we like the old saying that bulls get fed, bears get fed, and pigs get slaughtered. And the moral of the story is don't be a pig, right? So this is what we did for our squeeze this together so you can see the whole thing. $7,193.26, and you were just before the live feed cut out. That's where we were. Maybe this statement here. I can tell you how many pips we actually did, right? But if you like what you have seen, this is basically a demonstration. No investment advice was given. However, I'm just basically showing you that we have a system that we use to get in and out of the market fairly quickly. I figured we got in probably around 9:30, so it's about an hour and a half. It's like 11 o'clock right now, and we're done. Okay, so $7,000 in an hour and a half. You know, not bad, right? And 94.6 pips. So 94.6. I just took the spreadsheet and 94.6 pips, and then our tally of, we do our boom, $9,124. That's the gross, but after commissions and stuff like that. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the price. That's that's not the price. Like that's not it. Okay. Right, this is net. Oh, net. Oh, 14th. Yeah, 14th. That's odd. 9,000 here, 7,000 there. Is probably the this is probably the gross. Yeah, this is the gross. The net is actually, less the commissions and things like that, right? So, and if you want to learn more, come over to the Elite Traders University. Go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com, and you can get our free income boost blueprint. And you can just give your email address and your name, and I'll send this out to you automatically. I won't send it out to you, but the computer will, the system will, and you can learn some explanations of the forex market, how it works, also some other valuable resources on leverage and risk management and good stuff. And you can just enter your name and your email address, and that'll be sent to you. But if you're a visual learner like I am, sign up for the 4 Pillars on Demand, the masterclass. There's a masterclass there. Claim your spot. Just fill in your name and email address. We won't spam you. We probably won't get too many emails from me anyway. I'm too busy trading anyway, right? But this is give you an overview of what we do differently in the Elite Traders University. We specialize in helping struggling traders achieve fast and quick results without buying and holding, riskily, holding something overnight, hoping, wishing, praying. See, we got in, we got out, and you can see that all these came out July 14th, and today's the 14th, right? So, if you don't want to hold stuff overnight and want to be able to sleep at night, then sign up for this masterclass and learn about how we do things differently in Elite Traders University and see if it's right for you. And if it is, then sign up for a strategy call with one of my enrollment specialists. My enrollment specialists are traders and they're full-time traders, and they also teach at our school as well. So you'll be talking to me, a full-time trader, or you'll talk to Michael or Svetlana or one of the others on staff. But we all trade, so you're going to be talking to a trader, and a trader who that's what they do, right? But we have a passion to help people. We want to build an army of really cool people, nice people who can follow instructions, who are coachable, who can take the system and can really make a lot of money. It's like the turtles. If you ever read the story about the turtles, it was an experiment. They took 21 people. They took these people and they took people off the street. They ran an ad in the Wall Street Journal, and they were looking for traders that they can teach this system, right? And there was a bet. The bet was that one guy believes, one of the Richard Dennis believed that traders can be taught a system. So back in 1984, this ad appeared in the newspaper, and basically it was asking people to be trained in their system, and they will be given some money to trade. And it's the basis of the movie Trading Places, how they can turn Eddie Murphy into a trader and turn Dan Aykroyd into a bum. And the bet was $1. And you'll see those two guys, they're also in Coming to America as well. When he throws the old guys the money and they go, hey, we're back in business. It all ties into all this, right?
So the bet was that they could teach people how to become traders, and he won the bet because the people who actually took this bet became some of the most successful traders in the world. And I can show you. I should have all this stuff ready for you, right? So I said, well, maybe I can do the same thing, right? We can teach people a proprietary system, right? These are the turtle race. These are some of the names of the turtle traders: 124%, 114%, 107%, 94%, 89%. And this was Richard Dennis was the person to trade. He was the Morpheus who basically took this group of average people and taught them a system, and they became the most powerful, the 14 top commodity trading advisors in the world. And so we use a similar system, much better than the system. I mean, look at that, you know. And so this roughly would be 40%. This is a 40% on my account. On this account that I was using, 40%. So 40% in and I'm saying, past performance is no indication of future results, and there's no income promises here. This is just what I did, and your results will be different if you don't follow instructions, right? It's like, I went to the gym and I worked out and I have abs. You can too. But if you don't go to the gym, if you don't work out, and if you don't do what you're asked to do, if you don't do what the coach tells you to do, you're going to be flabby with a gym membership. So, you know how that works, right? We're all mature people. Oh, I bought the course, nothing happened. Yeah, because you didn't do crap, right? So, we're only looking for committed people anyway. So, if you're not committed, then don't venture a call. If you don't have any money to invest in training, don't book a call. If you don't want to invest in your own education, or you don't believe in yourself, don't book a call. Okay, so just that way we're not wasting time. I'm not wasting your time. You're not wasting our time. But if you are committed, you can follow a simple system, and you can do the work necessary. Then talk to us. We'd love to have you aboard. I would love for you to do my next success story. Greg McLeod signing out. Peace and tips. Cheers. Bye.
If you want to learn more about profiting from the Forex market, go to www.theforexcashmachine.com and sign up for a free training webinar. Get the secrets from Greg as he reveals how to earn limitless income. Learn more to earn more.